Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Your YouTube channel must have live streaming enabled and two-step verification active. Once that's done, pick software, OBS Studio if you want minimal setup, or Streamlabs Desktop for integrated widgets and themes. Download the installer for your operating system, run the file, and allow camera and mic permissions when prompted. This gets you past the friction point quickly. By the time install finishes, you'll be ready to configure scenes and sources. Once installed, open the software and build a scene. Think of it as your broadcast canvas. Add sources, a video capture device for your webcam, display or window capture for apps or games, and audio input for your mic plus desktop audio for system sound. Make sure to set resolution and frame rate according to your upload speed. For example, 1280 by 720 at 30 FPS for weaker connections versus 1920 by 1080 at 6. Now connect to YouTube. Copy the stream key from YouTube Studio and paste it into your software stream settings. Never share that key. Once connected, do a private or unlisted test stream, or record a local file to confirm audio levels, bitrate, and scene switching. If you hit problems, first reduce bitrate or resolution, then try changing encoder from software to hardware if available, and monitor CPU and GPU usage. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves stutter and dropped frames quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.